What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Working on the C230K that I picked up for $500 right here, and today we're replacing a transmission mount. Super easy replacement. This is only like 12 or 13 bucks. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this real quick, get rid of the extra engine vibration. Let's go ahead and jump into that right now. Alright, so obviously the first thing you want to do is get the car lifted up. I had mine lifted because I was already doing a transmission service. If you guys want to see how to replace the circuit board in here and fix all that stuff, if you're having shifting issues, check out this video up here. Also, if you guys want to see how to replace this flex disc, this is a very common problem on your Mercedes. If you have an older Mercedes, go check this. All Mercedes uses these and they go bad after a while, and this thing will blow up and cause all kinds of damage. So check out this video right here if you want to do that. This is a transmission mount, one of the easiest ones to replace ever. Looks like a 16 if I remember correctly. And then we got the two 13s down here. And we need to support right here with a jack. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Just like that, it's that simple. All right guys, we got the old mounts here side by side. What a difference. Let's look at all the space this one has. We'll set that one up right there. And then, yeah, look at how absolutely blown out that was. This is just sitting on the bottom, causing all kinds of cabin vibration and noise. And then as you can see, this is a lot more raised up. So yeah, now we're going to pop this one back in there and hopefully that fixes some of that up. And my jack sucks, so I need to jack this back up, and then I'll land these bolts up in there. I feel like I'm racing against the clock with my jack. Oh, it's so much higher. Alright, so probably easier to go just a little higher. That way, you can line the bolts up. Guys, I would just start all your bolts first before you tighten anything down. Now let's go ahead and tighten them down. Alright guys, and that is how you replace the engine mount on a 2000 C230K. Probably the same for a lot of Mercedes models. Again, super easy, super cheap part. Link in the description for all the parts that I used. Check out the other videos for more Mercedes stuff. Check out the other channel if you like any other car repair stuff. Drop me a like. Subscribe to the channel, do whatever you want to, or just come back if you need some more help. Till next time, pieces. And yes, I know, I'm gonna come back and torque up the bolts. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna torque them. I'm coming back for you bolts.